Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss. We're going to explore 10 fantastic ways you can earn money on the internet. Whether you're looking for some extra income or considering a full-time online career, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Coming in at number 10, we have app and website testing. Companies want feedback to improve their user experience, and they'll pay you for it. Join platforms like User Testing or Testbirds, and you can get paid to test websites and apps and provide valuable insights. At number 9, it's stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, why not turn it into a moneymaker? Sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Businesses and individuals are always on the lookout for high-quality images for their projects, and you can earn royalties each time someone downloads your photo. Number 8 on our list is remote work. For those seeking a stable online job, remote work is a fantastic option. Websites like We Work Remotely and FlexJobs list various job opportunities in customer service, programming, design, and more. Find a remote job that suits your skills and enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere. Coming in at number 7, we have dropshipping. Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store without the hassle of managing inventory? Dropshipping might be your answer. Partner with suppliers to sell products directly to customers through your online store. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier takes care of shipping while you earn a profit. It's a low-risk and rewarding venture. Halfway through our list, it's virtual assistant at number 6. Calling all organized individuals. Becoming a virtual assistant might be your perfect gig. Help businesses and entrepreneurs remotely with tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Websites like remote.co and FlexJobs offer great opportunities to get started. We're at number 5, and it's content creation. If you're passionate about creating content, this one's for you. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast about something you love. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even donations from your viewers using platforms like Google AdSense or Patreon. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. At number 4, we have online courses and ebooks. Are you an expert in a particular field or have a skill that others want to learn? Create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to reach a vast audience and earn money while sharing your knowledge. It's fulfilling and financially rewarding. The third spot goes to affiliate marketing. Have you ever recommended a product to a friend and wished you could earn from it? With affiliate marketing, you can. Become an affiliate for various products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. Share your recommendations on your blog, website, or social media channels, and watch the money come in. We're almost there. Number 2 is online surveys and market research. Ever wondered if your opinions could earn you money? Well, they can. Participate in online surveys and market research studies on websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Companies value your feedback and pay you for your time. It's an easy and fun way to make some extra cash or receive gift cards. And finally, the top spot goes to freelancing. If you have a talent or a skill, like writing, graphic design, web development, or even social media management, you can use it to make money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients who need your expertise. It's a great way to showcase your abilities and build a portfolio while earning money. There you have it, our top 10 ways to earn money on the internet. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time online career, these options have something for everyone. Choose what suits you best, and remember, with dedication and passion, you can turn your online ventures into a successful income stream. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.